How do we begin to actually reshape this investment conversation?
Well, the way I like to do it, and it may not work for everybody, but is to sit down and talk about um, some things we can agree upon. One is this notion that stock returns are not predictable, and the people that try to outguess the market, their results look pretty random. That's the reality. Um, does that mean there aren't people out there that um, that'll do better than the market?
Yeah.
There could be. We still know how to identify them because the number of people that have good long-term track records
Yeah.
is fewer than you'd expect by chance, which means you can't separate skill from luck.
Yeah.
Some people will have good returns due to luck, and some people will have disappointing returns just due to bad luck, and we can't separate that out. So anyway, that's kind of a reality check. And then I would like to get into say, look, you know more about investing than you think you know. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to pull out things that you know that deep down there about how you've dealt with uncertainty.
Wow.
And then I'll connect them to investing. I'm not going to try to train you on how to do linear regression. What I can, but hopefully at the end of it, you'll say, aha, this is a sensible approach. And based on the best way of dealing with uncertainty.